Using PS4 controller with Oculus, is it possible?
Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll be answering the question, is it possible to use the PS4 controller with the Oculus headset? It's an intriguing topic, especially for those who love to experiment with different gaming setups. Let's get started.
Can you connect a PS4 controller to Oculus?
The short answer is, unfortunately, no. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, you can't directly use a PlayStation 4, PS4 controller with an Oculus headset. Oculus headsets, such as the Oculus Quest, Quest 2, or Rift, primarily rely on their own motion tracking controllers designed specifically for VR experiences. They aren't generally designed to work with other gamepad-style controllers like the PS4 controller.
What controllers can be used with Oculus?
While the PS4 controller is off the table, the good news is that Oculus headsets do have compatibility with certain other controllers. Many Oculus devices are compatible with specific Bluetooth gamepads, including Xbox One Bluetooth controllers or the official Oculus Quest 2 Elite strap with battery and carrying case. Remember to always check the compatibility before purchasing a new controller for your Oculus device.
Are there any workarounds?
Despite the current limitations, creative gamers often find workarounds. For instance, you might try emulating an Xbox controller with your PS4 controller on a PC, then connecting your Oculus headset to the PC. However, these solutions are often complex and inconsistent, and they might not offer the seamless VR experience you're looking for. To wrap it all up, as much as it might be interesting to use a PS4 controller with an Oculus headset, it's not directly possible as of my last update. But who knows? Future updates might make this possible. Until then, happy gaming with the controllers that are compatible. Stay tuned for more interesting tech updates and discussions.